All of the best games now in one place. Introducing Starbase, the premier missions platform designed for gamers. Because social quests are boring and you're here to play games and earn rewards. So what are you waiting for? Welcome to Starbase. Get started on your missions today.
Hi guys, SML nga pala, no? So welcome back again sa panibagong video natin. So may bago tayo dito guys, itong tinatawag na Starbase, no? Na kung saan guys is si Starbase nga pala ay isang experiential questing missions platform focus all in on rewarding gameplay. Okay, so more on gameplay siya guys, na kung saan is more on missions din siya. Pwede tayo makakuha ng rewards every missions na makukomplete natin dito kay Starbase. So Starbase is the first app inside of StarNet, no? Okay, so where players earn gems with rewards coming very soon to players. So gems are the default currency on Starbase and are earned by players for completing missions or engaging in future social Starbase and StarNet activities. So by earning and saving gems, players can gain access to premium questing, loot crates, exclusive NFTs, game passes, and so much more. In addition, those holding gems at the end of the season might be in for a surprise. Okay, so yun guys, no, ang potential sa pag-iipon ng gems dito kay Starbase. So pinaka-currency kasi yun. So pwede din natin gamitin yung gems na yun guys para makapag-access sa premium questing, so loot crates, and then sa mga NFTs at saka game passes. Okay, so by the way, so pwede tayo mag-connect dito sa Starbase, so through Gmail. So successful yung pag-connect natin dito, so through Gmail lang naman siya guys, no. Yan, so marami sila ditong available guys, no, sa StarNet. So may mga mission yan guys, so link email, so pwede natin i-claim yan guys kasi nga nakapag-link tayo dito ng email kanina, no? So nadagdagan ng gems natin, so claim successful, 100 gems added. So kanina 500 yan guys, no, naging 600. So yung iba na complete na natin dyan. So napaka-simple lang yung mga missions dito. So follow StarNet on Twitter, so pwede yan. So pagka-start natin nan, so papalo lang natin guys, automatic i-claim na natin yan. So ganun din dito Discord. Okay, join lang tayo. So dito naman sa iba guys is meron din mga mission yan. Okay, so follow Mystery Society on Twitter. Okay, so plus 50 gems. So yung iba guys napakalaki. Katulad dito guys, so 1k na gems na pwede natin makuha. So meron din 5k na gems guys, no. Okay, so ito napakaganda guys, so accuse the killer 20 times, no, dito sa mismong Mystery Society. Okay, so 50,000 gems yung pwede natin makuha dyan. So ito yung mga direct nila guys, link or website. So pwede natin i-click yan guys, no. Alright, so simulan na natin dito kay StarNet. Okay, so click lang natin yung pinaka-direct website. So tingnan natin kung ano ba itsura nito. Alright, so enter tayo dito. Okay, so guys, bigyan ko lang kayo ng konting overview about dito kay StarNet. So sa StarNet nga pala guys is the next generation's ad network, powering the $100+ billion spend per year on news acquisitions. Grabe guys, napakalaki nung ini-spend nila dito every year, no? So instead of being owned by Google and Facebook, StarNet is owned by games and apps, creating a decentralized and equitable ad tech ecosystem. Okay, so other information about dito kay StarNet. So StarNet introduces a novel system design where every application in the system is a data node. So part of a larger AI inference network focused on user acquisitions. So parte din pala itong si StarNet sa larger AI inference network, no. Okay, so providing increased efficiency, transparency, and data ownership, StarNet allows games developers to own this network while establishing zero-knowledge standards for the security of private data. So StarNet mission is to create the next generation ad network owned by all. Okay, right, so pwede tayong sumali sa kanilang Twitter, Discord, Telegram. So click natin itong Telegram nila guys. So may kita natin dito, no? So napaka-active din ng community nila dito. Kahit na bago pa lang itong si StarNet. So ang dami na agad guys members. So 600. So 146 yung online, no? Okay, so 100 yung kanilang active na online sa kanilang community at Telegram, no? So access mission, so napakasimple guys, no? Access missions guys is babalik lang tayo dito sa Starbase. Okay, yan. So nitong iba guys, no, mission yan, makakuha ng 5k, 50k gems. Alright guys, no? Ayan, no? So follow Netflix Island on Twitter. Yan guys, yung mga gems na makakuha natin. Okay, so sa mystery, so a Web3 social deduction games and community built by former Destiny and Club Penguin veterans for aficionados of Might, Mayhem and the Mysterious. Yan yung mga introductions nito, no, sa Nifty Island. So is a free to play naman to guys, no? Grabe, oh, free to play siya guys. So siya naman guys is nakabase sa NFTs. Okay, ito naman si Habbo. Habbo is an online virtual world and social network platform for the newest launch in 2000 by Solake Corporations. So si Habbo nga pala guys is isang pixels, no? Right, so ito yung itsura ng website nitong si Habbo. So kung gusto nyo guys is bisitahin nyo lang to, no? So lalagay natin yung link nitong si Starbase para makita nyo lahat. Si Order guys, ayan. So si Order nga pala is a dark fantasy world where high stake PvP combat meets the revolutionary potential of Web3 gaming. Alright, so pwede tayo makuha dito ng malaki ding gems, no, sa 50,000. So defect Web20 lang, no? Alright. Okay, so dito naman sa Cambria is a building RuneScape, no? Guys, so inspired game. So meron din siyang 1v1 battles. For Ethereum naman ito guys, no? Isang daming available guys dito na pwede natin i-discover pa, no? But sa Sharp9 naman guys is a waiting mission siya. Okay? Ito naman guys is create account. So makakuha tayo ng 250 gems. So yan guys, no? Soldo. Right, tingnan natin itong si Order guys. Mapapansin nyo guys dito, napakaganda ng website nitong si Order. So kagandaan dito guys kay Order is talagang ang napakaganda ng mga gameplay nito. So tingnan natin dito sa Dread of Arena. So try natin panoorin itong gameplay nitong si Order guys, no? Alright guys, okay, so ito yung mismong itsura ng gameplay dito para kay Order. Right, so napakaganda din, no? So Web3 kasi siya guys, kaya napakaganda. Ayan guys, oh, solid yung kanyang gameplay, no? Ayan. Pati yung characters guys, yung animations guys, no? Parang totoo. Right guys, right. So may mga skills din dito. So ito nga pala guys is nasa alpha pa lang, no? So pre-alpha gameplay itong pinapanood natin guys. Okay, so balik tayo dun sa iba naman guys. Yan, so ganun lang guys, no? So ipon lang tayo ng gems dito. So kada may mga bago dito guys, katulad nito ng Sharpnail guys, kung natapos natin lahat ng missions dito guys, napakalaking gems ang makukuha natin nila. So almost nasa kalahati yan guys, kalahati billion guys na gems, no? Ang pwede natin maipon. So pag natapos natin nitong mga mission nitong mga to guys, no? Okay, ayan, napakalalaki ng bigay guys, no? May 50 oh, grabe oh. Kung natapos natin lahat yan. Ito naman Sharpnail guys is awaiting missions. So asahan nyo guys, no? Expect nyo na sa future guys is mas marami pa yan na pwede natin tapusin ng mga missions, no? Kasi Sharpnail guys is isa sa mga inaabangan ngayon guys, kasi ngayong iba guys is medyo natapos na nila yung mga mission, kaya kailangan pa nila ng susunod na mission. So ito nga si Sharpnail guys, no? Okay, si Captain Leaderboards guys, may kita natin dito guys yung mga current standings. So mayroon nang nakaipon guys, no? Almost 450k gems guys. Grabe, ang lalakas nito mag-ipon ng gems guys. Okay, so kasi nga alam nila guys na magkakaroon talaga ng malaking potential itong sa Starbase in the future, kaya ang dami na dito nag-grind guys, no? Sa pag-complete ng missions. So ito guys, pwede natin i-copy yung ating referral code kung gusto natin mag-invites dito. And then makakuha tayo ng referral gems sa pag-invite lang, okay? So napakasimple. Ito sa Serum City. Right? So bisitahin natin ito, no? So super early access season 2. Right? Well guys, ganun lang kasimple ito si Starbase, no? So tayo na nga natin kompleto yung mga mission na to. So follow on Twitter. Right? So Twitter's authorized app. Okay. Yun, no? Verification connection successful connected with Twitter. So claim na agad. Yun lang simple. So maiging 700 yan guys. So gems 100 added guys. So follow on Starnet on Twitter din. And so follow lang natin. So follow. Automatic madedetect niya yan, no? Ni Starbase guys. Pag na-follow na natin. Okay. In progress pala siya guys. So join is dito naman link Discord. Authorize natin. You know. So verification connection to Discord. So you're good to go. Right guys. So you know, claim na natin yan. So 100. Okay, so may 900 na yan. So magiging 1,000 na to guys. So join the Starnet Discord guys, no? Ay sayang naman, no? Isa pa guys. In progress siya. Okay, so hintayin lang natin mapag-join sa Discord nitong Starnet. So ganun na simple guys itong si Starbase guys, no? Okay? So lalagay ko na lang yung link sa description guys at click nyo na lang yon para mabisita nyo tong Starbase guys at mag-complete na rin na missions katulad ko. So para sa future guys is magamit natin itong gems guys. So for sure guys, malaki talaga yung maiging potential nitong gems na to, no? So pwede natin ipalit to into other currency, into other tokens guys, no? Right, so pwede din natin gamitin itong gems na to sa pagbili ng mga NFTs at pag-access ng mga premium and then mga game passes, okay? So yun guys, hanggang dito na lang. Salamat sa panonood.